Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we'll be looking at some mighty machines and covering what they do. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure to like the video and subscribe to see more like it. Walter's Gardens is a family-owned business that has been producing perennials for more than 7 decades. They specialize in healthy and adaptable bare root plants. Lavender is one such crop, which they cultivate in vast fields and harvest in the summer. Lavender is a well-known plant with several advantages, including calming the mind, soothing the skin, and repelling insects. This machine is used for cutting and gathering flower spike. The lavender is then dried and processed for a variety of applications, including essential oils, sachets, and potpourri. Walter's Gardens sells several lavender types, including Hidcote, Munstead, and Phenomenal. If you knew about any of these kinds of lavenders, tell us about it in the comments. Next is the RECK-TECHNIK GMBH Jumbo 2. It is an attachment for 150 horsepower tractors designed to spread silage. It comes standard with a big roller with many paddles that spread the grass and fluff it up. The spreader also includes a hydraulic swivel mechanism for varying the drum's width. The optional reverse reduction gearbox allows the Jumbo 2 to be mounted on either the front or rear of the tractor. Using a grass silage spreader can help in many ways, like preventing the loss of nutrients, making nitrogen more available, balancing grazing, and saving seeds. Up next is the Oxbow 3220. Oxbow International, a business specializing in specialist harvesting and controlled application technologies, manufactured this citrus harvester. The harvester is designed to collect citrus fruits from trees, including oranges, lemons, and grapefruits. It employs a trunk shaker mechanism that encourages ripe fruits to fall into a catch frame by gently vibrating the tree trunk. The catch frame then moves the fruits to a conveyor belt that transports them to a container or trailer. The Oxbow 3220 can harvest up to 120 trees each hour, reducing labor expenses and fruit losses. Next, we have the Oxbow 7450. This machine was designed for harvesting blueberries and other small fruits from bushes. It features a top-loading design, which harvests fruits from above and deposits them in a bin or trailer. The harvester can harvest up to 1.5 acres per hour due to its large capacity. It also includes Dynarotor Max technology, which enables it to vary the shaking strength and speed according to the kind and condition of the fruit. Up next, we have the tube-line Accumulate. It is a bale handling system that enables farmers to easily handle square bales of hay. It consists of two components, an accumulator that can hold up to 10 bales at once, and a grapple that connects to a skid steer loader and collects the collected bales. This accumulator's design does not need external hydraulic, PTO, or electrical connections. Its tines are the metal prongs that pick up and arrange bales on a platform. The machine saves time and effort by decreasing the number of trips needed. It also prevents leaf loss and bale damage from excessive handling. Next, we have the tree harvester from RECK-TECHNIK. This machine can safely and effectively harvest fruit trees and rootstocks. It has a rotatable cabin that offers an excellent view of the harvesting operation. Its adjustable track width allows it to adapt to a variety of terrain conditions. The machine is capable of cutting, lifting, and transporting trees with minimal harm to their roots and branches. It has been engineered to suit the customer's demand in the fruit tree cultivation industry. The CLAAS XERION 4200 saddle track is up next. CLAAS, a renowned manufacturer of agricultural equipment, created this machine. It can do a variety of agricultural chores, including plowing, sowing, fertilizing, and harvesting. It is a four-wheel drive tractor with a fixed cab and a wide platform behind it that can house tanks and spreaders. It features a 340 kilowatt engine with a maximum speed of 50 kilometers per hour. Moreover, it is equipped with a continuously variable gearbox that adapts to varying terrain and load conditions. Next, we have the MCHALE C460. It is a straw blower machine created by MCHALE, a company specializing in balers and wrappers. It is used to distribute bedding materials such as straw, hay, and silage to animal sheds. The machine can also deliver hay, haylage, and silage bundles to cattle. Due to its innovative design, the MCHALE C460 can transport and blow or feed out 2 4-foot round bales. It has a loading volume capacity of 3.65 cubic meters, and its blower spout can rotate 300 degrees. Next, we have the Mighty Giant PTO 2015W. It is a tub grinder designed for heavy-duty commercial applications. It can grind a variety of substances, including hay, straw, wood waste, and biomass. It takes power from an attached tractor via a PTO shaft. The unit features a hydraulically foldable elevator that can swing from side to side to assist in grinding into heaps, structures, and vehicles. Its tub can be tilted to a 90-degree angle using a side control valve. This enables the operator to examine, clean, or replace the hammers and screens without entering the tub or using tools. Next, we have the VT3936. This self-propelled tractor was designed by the Dutch business Vredo Dodewaard BV, which specialized in soil improvement equipment. The VT3936 is powered by a duct engine that generates 300 kilowatts. It features a hydrostatic transmission that permits accurate and smooth speed regulation. Its four-wheel steering system delivers superior mobility and stability. It also boasts a hydraulic suspension that adapts to the terrain and optimizes traction and comfort. Moreover, the VT3936 can be equipped with various attachments, including slurry injectors, mowers, and seeders. Last but certainly not least is the BAM component carrier. This self-propelled transport carrier was created for the Dutch construction services provider BAM International. The trailer was manufactured in the Netherlands and sent to Papua New Guinea in 2 containers. It is 24 meters long and has a deadweight capacity of 60 tons. It has been used to transport concrete components and piles along the 2.4-kilometer long bridge that links the beach to the loading platform and dock. Well, there you have it. We hope you enjoyed learning about these great machines. If you did, consider subscribing. We've got plenty of more machines that you can learn about. Just click here. And with that, we'll see you next time.